Hey everyone, so I cut these rosettes out with these Tim Holtz dies. I bought them on scrapbook.com and it comes with 3 different ones and the 3 little sizes that you want to put in the center. I cut them out with my Cuddle Bug, and this is like the fastest, easiest way I found out to make mini rosettes. I was watching so many tutorials. I will try to find the one that I watched that gave me this idea. And I will link it down below if I find it. If not, just know that I did not come up with this, but it is absolutely amazing. So you cut it out with the die, and then you can either use your cutting board or scissors. I just use my scissors and cut it right down the middle. So it leaves you with 2 pieces, so that makes 2 rosettes. So I'm just going to cut a couple more so you can see the different designs, because each die has a different top. So now you need something for the centers, because I'm not using the circle ones that come with it. I'm using a heart little punch for the big ones, and then I just cut little squares out for the small ones. And you want to take 2 to 3 little pieces off of the smaller rosettes. I've done it with all of it, and some of it gets clumped. Otherwise, I like it, so I just tried it and I took 2 pieces off of this one. And you basically just do it the exact same way you would do it if it was a full piece of paper, like for the die. It's awesome. So I'm just doing the small one and then the full size one so you can see the difference in size. So I'm just going to add some hot glue, and if you decide to take pieces off, just make sure one of the ones goes flat and then the other one can go over it. Yeah, because you just want to make sure that it looks nice when you line it up. And then you just press it down. I use hot glue because it holds it really good. And now I'm doing the same thing with the bigger one. So then to do these ones, you do it just as you would any other rosette with a die. You want to put the pattern side up and then flip it all down and then squeeze it together in the middle. And then you want to get whatever you're gluing down and glue it together. I like to hold it for a second just to have it keep its shape nice and tight. And that's what they look like. They are so super cute. So now again with the pattern side up, you flip it down and squish it together. And these ones I'm using a heart. I'm not putting anything on the front of these ones because I'm putting them inside of an embellishment book that I am sending to one of my friends for a swap. So I figured I would just leave the front open and let her decide what she wants to put on the front. Or just leave them blank or put something on, you know, some ribbon or whatever. So I'm just holding it down to give it a minute for the glue to set. And when you turn it over, that's what the full size is. So that's full and half. The full size measures about 2 inches across, and half size is about 1 inch. I'm so in love with these mini rosettes. They're so perfect. So these are the different designs. And this one, again, it's about 2 inches. I think all of the dies full size are 2 inches. And then these are the ones that are cut in half. This is the pattern side. It's about 1 inch. And then the piece that is left over from behind is just a tiny bit below 1 inch. You can see it's just a tiny bit smaller because it has the pieces on the top. So yeah, here's this one, the pointy one. That one's a little bit smaller because it's not as pointy. So I hope you enjoy. Any questions, leave me a comment down below. Bye!